fort einmal?
Da rauf.
Okay.
This is just the most enjoyable way of riding enduro.
So, I phoned you back. I'm in an interview.
10 years of Bull Romaniacs means also 10 years of riding a lot in the Romanian wilderness and in the forest, and having had a lot of fun. On the other hand, it is also always each year is quite stressy to get everything organized and to get everything organized the way that it will work out fine, and competitors will go home satisfied.
Yeah, the first thing we do, we decide where do we want to go, where do we want to have the overnight bivouac. Then we see what do we know, what do we already know in that area, which connection will be interesting, and then we just, like a puzzle, we just start little by little to put it together, and there are always some missing pieces here and there, and that's where the funny job starts. I'm still here, but sometimes it's getting late before we come home. Yeah.
The 10th year will be a mix of all the best trails we had over the past 10 years, plus another 40–50% of completely new trails.
We have been riding so many trails where nobody has been before, and unbelievable. Yeah, there will be a lot of new funny stuff.
Here in Romania, the country offers so many nice trails and so much nice terrain, so many friendly people. So all the points that can make a race a success are here. So we just need to make sure that we organize it perfectly. So it's going to be really enjoyable, but of course also a hard challenge as always.